Yeah, because we're supposed to make more YouTube videos and we haven't. Like me putting those springs on those struts.
And you didn't do any of that. Well, no. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. It has been a minute. Today we are going to put lowering springs on the SS. Christopher has already done a lot of the hard work.
All of the hard work. Every bit of the hard work is done.
So
that's probably fine.
Anyways, these are heavy. So today we're going to put suspension on the SS. I'm going to lower it. I don't even know what springs these are.
They're made by King. Those are King SSLs. Slow.
And we're going to make sure that they don't go through the hood.
That's what these really expensive bushings are for, is to make sure they don't go through the hood.
So,
I feel like G8 and Caprice people can respect that.
I'm tired of holding this. Let's go.
Let's just put them on.
We're making it. Oh, wait. No, I got to take one cute picture for the thing. We got to take one.
A cute picture of what?
For the thing.
Like a thumbnail?
Yeah. I can't hold it. Is that going to work?
I don't know. Hope it doesn't fall off.